Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did a full face using all Fenty products. I've been a fan of Fenty. I love Fenty products. I finally got a hold of 2 new products from her, so I decided to do pretty much a full face. And by full face, I don't mean 100%. I don't think I ever mean 100%. But the majority of what I used on my face is Fenty, guys. So if you guys are interested in how I achieved today's look, then just continue to watch. All right, sis. So I'm going to start off with something that isn't Fenty, but it's new, and I've been dying to try out this product. So it is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I honestly, this wouldn't be something I would reach for, but because of the feedback and just everyone talking about how good it is, I honestly want to try it out. It claims it works for all skin types, oily, dry combination. So it pretty much has hydration in it, which I feel even as an oily skin girl, we still need our hydration. The thing that I think is getting to me is that it grips makeup and allows for like an all-day wear type of feel. It's oil-free, silicone-free, and it works again across all skin tones and skin types. So I'm excited to try it, guys. So this will be kind of like a first impressions, and this is, I don't know why I got the big one. I was honestly gonna get the small one, but you know how they do their pricing, like it just makes sense getting the bigger one. So I ended up picking up the bigger one. So yeah, let's just go in with this. And I think with this one, I'm going to apply everywhere. Okay. I like the smell. It doesn't smell like anything specific, but I could already feel the stick. Like it's, my face feels hydrated, but there is like a little grip to it. So we're gonna see how my makeup works with this product. And by the way, guys, I did my brows off camera, just because I have no Fenty eyebrow products. So I got the eyebrows out of the way, so we're just gonna work on pretty much everything else with Fenty, minus the primer as well, of course. Okay, so my face feels super sticky, super sticky, but hydrated. So we're gonna see how this works today, how my products glide on, like just everything about this primer. So I'm gonna do complexion and then do eyes after. So I'm gonna start off with correcting underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take my Fenty Bright Fix under eye illuminator, and we're just going to fix these dark spots because no one likes these. And I just literally add 1 dot of this. Yeah, we're just going to pretty much get rid of these dark spots. We don't want them. They do not exist. Go away. All right, so the next product I'm gonna go in with is the Fenty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint. I am in the shade I forgot these are not in like 420, 430. I'm in the shade 19. And I do have a review on this one as well, guys. I'll leave it in the cards above as well. But we are going for, I'm still gonna go full coverage, but just, I guess the base is not gonna be full coverage. I'm gonna show you guys how to still get a full coverage look without having to use an actual foundation. So I'm using my buffing brush and we're just gonna buff this in. I really love this skin tint. Do you guys see just how it just made my skin all one even complexion? Everything just looks glowy and really nice. All right, for concealer, I'm going to go in with 2 concealers. I'm going to mix the 2. So one is in 390 and the other one is in 345. I cannot use this one alone. It is way too yellow. So I always have to mix it with some other type of concealer. So I'm going to use this pretty much to highlight and brighten up my face. right, I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and just blend this out. All right, so to cream contour, I'm gonna take the matchstick in Espresso. I'm just gonna actually focus it only on my cheekbones. Or should I do my forehead? Actually, I'll do my forehead as well. And my nose. I'm gonna take the butt end just to blend out my contour. All right, so we're done with the creams and the liquids. Now I'm gonna go in with some powder. So I'm taking my FENTY Banana Setting Powder. I'm just gonna dip my sponge into the powder. All right, so just to kind of blend everything together, I'm gonna go into my FENTY Soft Matte Powder Foundation. This is in the shade 420, and we're just gonna put this literally everywhere. I'm gonna go back into the banana powder and just use it to carve out my contour. I'm gonna leave it there for a bit. And moving on to eyes, I'm gonna bring you guys just a bit closer. So I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow. This is in number 7. These are the shades we're working with today. Very cute, pretty shades. So I'm gonna dip into this yellow shade first, and we're gonna use that as a transition color. I'm kind of packing it on first. I'm not gonna swipe it like I usually do, just because it's a yellow, and I really want the pigment to pop, especially on the outer portion. So I'm just gonna pack this on first. I'm just gonna pretty much diffuse it and blend it out. I'm gonna do one eye and then the other one off camera. So I'm gonna dip into the shade here. We're gonna use it as the crease color. So I'm just making sure that we do not lose that yellow tone. I need everything to just pretty much blend into each other. So I want to really keep that yellow showing. All right, and then for my lid color, I'm gonna go in with this shimmery shade here. I'm actually going to use my fingers since I do not have any nails on and I have the luxury now to just apply it to my lids. All right, I'm gonna go back into that deep green shade and we're just gonna diffuse the ends here. And that's pretty much it for this look. Okay, I'm gonna do a liner. I'm gonna use something that's not Fenty, but I'm sorry, the e.l.f. liquid liner, and just create a natural winged liner. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, apply my lashes, do my other eyes, apply my lashes, and then we'll be back to finish up the look. All right, so I applied my lashes off camera. I dusted off my contour. So back to the eyes. I'm just gonna apply one eyeshadow underneath my lash line. And I think I'm gonna go in with this green shade and just brush it along, not all along into the inner corner, but just halfway through, just to kind of smoke out the bottom pretty much. Just really want to smoke out the bottom. All right, I don't have a Fenty blush, so I'm going to go in with the Catrice blush just to add a bit of color back to my skin. For highlighter, I'm gonna take the Fenty Matchstick in Cinnamon, and I'm literally just applying it to my highest points, and I'm gonna blend it out with my pinky. We are almost done. For lips, I'm just gonna take my regular LA Girl lip liner in brown. All right, for lips, I picked up this new product from Fenty, well, new to me. It's the Gloss Bomb Cream Color Cream, and this one is in Honey Waffles. You know how I do. I love a nice gloss. I love the shade. Beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, sis, so that is the finishing look. I love how everything came out. You cannot go wrong with Fenty. I say this every single time I do these type of videos. Using her products, like, she makes these products specifically for me. Like, literally, it's for me. I'm loving my eyes, I'm loving my skin, I'm loving the lips. Oh my gosh, this is my new favorite, guys. This is my new favorite. This is definitely gonna be a fall lip combo for sure. But yeah, I really love how everything came out, and I hope you guys do as well. But that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new and haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. Hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. And leave your comments down below. I like to hear from you guys. But that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.